Richie Mack in the building, you did. We did it in the building. And who are you in the building?
Hey, MK Chanel, baby. Follow me in well,
see, you got caught up with the Ebonics. She got caught up in the Ebonics and got lost. I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Yeah, you see how it is?
Chanel, baby, follow me on that.
Hey, yeah, she said Chanel. I like the way you say Chanel. Hey,
Chanel.
I like your hair.
Yeah.
You got a Jerry curl though. You got a little bit of hair.
I knew Jerry Curl was lying. I had to make him talk.
1, 2, 3, curl. Let's go. Don't stop. The Jerry Curl. Hey, he's talking. Don't stop. Like it, Jerry. Jerry Curl. Nick, Eddie, get this punk out of here. Back up. Hey, that's my activator, man.
You got a Jerry curl though. You got a little bit of
yeah.
You got a little
I got that from my mama.
Hey! Leader of the Passport Brothers. Miss Ty by way of the Bay.
Sorry.
How you doing, Ty by way of the Bay? I heard the brothers be trying to get at you, man. What's going on with that? Did you let them know who you belong to? You let them know you're the girlfriend of the leader of the Passport Brothers? And you gotta let them know what time it is, baby. Say I'm with the leader, you know what I'm saying? You did. So check it out.
No, I'm not with him. He's with me.
Oh, see, Auston got an Americanized Thai lady. The only Americanized Thai. Huh? You can't make this shit up, she know.
She's been following me around the country.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, no.
Oh, shit.
She's been staying by her.
Happened. No.
Oh, wait a minute. Do I got some drama to report? What's going on? I don't do a lot of drama, but this is fun. So who's with who? Let's clear that shit up now.
I mean, you're mine. You're gonna go to the same mine here.
Okay. How'd that work out?
No, we together.
Oh, y'all together. Oh, now y'all together. Okay. So it is what it is. But y'all look happy, man. He's happy. He's at peace. He got a girl that keeps his ass in check.
Man, that's not true.
That is absolutely true.
I don't talk as much shit because of her. Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Because they're going to hate him anyway, so.
Right.
Yeah, so I should be positive, right?
I know.
I know what did it. It was the mush. You remember that mush? It was the mush that did it. No.
She mushed me in the face.
Yeah. That was a cold mush, though. That was a cold little mush. You know what a mush is? This is a mush. Yeah, I'm just doing this real quick. This ain't live, but I'm gonna put it up because little bro is going to. Should we tell them where you going? Should we tell them?
Philippines.
You don't mind telling them?
Yeah, they know. By the time this rolls around, I'll be in the Philippines. No, they want to know where I'm at so they can know where she at.
Oh, is that what it is?
They trying to figure out where she at when I'm not around.
She from the Bay. She gamed up. She's gamed up.
I got a tracking device on her too, though.
I'm telling you, she from the Bay. She got a hardness to her, man. You gotta crack that shell.
Yeah. All y'all ain't gonna work for her anyway.
She got him in check, y'all. I'm just being real. I'm just getting on it like I said. You know, I'm gonna make shit up.
No, she said it's okay. I know it's okay.
I can't make this shit up. Auston, if I don't see you before you leave, bro, you have a safe trip.
Yeah, bro.
And I'll see you when you get back.
Yeah, I'll be out later tonight though.
Yeah,
I know you will. You don't never go to sleep. He's young. He can do that. He's 20. He got that 23-year-old energy. He can go to sleep for 4 hours, wake up, bam, he's back.
Protect this man at all costs.
Shout out to Atlanta.
ATL in the house, baby.
By way of what?
By way of Birmingham, Alabama.
Hey.
Birmingham. Roads high, baby. Roads high.
I want to thank you so much for giving me those words of encouragement, bro. I appreciate you.
Bro, you doing that shit. Y'all changing this up for real. Big time. Big time. Big ups, my bro. Really reminding brothers that they got something to offer. And stop fucking looking down on ourselves. Believe God. Brother, what you're doing right here is doing a lot more than we realize. Really appreciate that shit.
I just want to see brothers win. I want to see people win. I want to see everybody win, man.
We're making it happen.
Even the haters, man.
Hey, the haters doing their job, though.
They doing their job.
They doing their job.
Haters keep hating.
Keep hating.
My channel's growing as you keep hating.
There you go.
Because you hate it, and then they come over and they see what's going on, and they be like, love always conquers hate, man. So, you know, do what y'all do, and I'm going to keep on putting out this love.
Yeah.
We gonna win. You dig?
You dig?
Yeah, what you said the Thai noodle? Y'all always want to know about the Thai.
Baby.
Wait a minute, we got two Thai ladies. We got a Dam Thai and we got a Thai.
Thai.
Hey.
Thai. Swadika.
Oh, that's what you call Thai swag right there. She got all the swag. Where you going? I didn't see nothing. I don't see nothing. I love you too, bro. Yes, we talk soon. You understand me? This guy right here, this dude is like the one that puts me up on. I don't know who none of these YouTubers are. Aaron tells me who everybody is, what they doing. He's like the YouTuber thesaurus. He's the one that told me no matter what you do, all that editing and fly shit, whatever you do, put L on the channel. Hell, he don't wait you a star, Aaron.
Right. And now she on t-shirts.
Yeah.
And now she on t-shirts.
She's on t-shirts.
I can't wait to get mine.
Hey! Shout out to Aaron. Y'all know what it is.
That's right.
Just a quick little drop for y'all, man. I got Thailand versus Colombia coming up. Dre gonna get it. We gonna do that thing. We gonna do that. And when Auston get back from the Philippines, you know you getting it next. Miss Auston, can I call you Miss Auston?
No, that's Miss Holly. Oh, she don't want to. See.
I say Miss Auston.
She not ready for that. That's why I told you.
Okay.
I tried to tell you about it.
He said she ain't ready for that.
She grabbing all up on my butt, but she don't want to be called.
She grabbing on them cheeks. Why you grabbing on them cheeks?
Because he got a nice butt.
That's out of my pay grade there. And if you guys are serious about coming out here for the 100,000 subscriber party in July, make sure to get your deposits in early. A $200 deposit secures your place for the 100,000 subscriber party. Please send to Cash App $Zoom to Thailand. Make sure to put deposit in the letterhead along with your name and email. This way we can keep track of you. Last but not least, I have to thank my Patreon members. Without you, I literally would not be able to do this the way I do this. You dig? Thank you so much. And as for the rest of you guys, you should all consider joining the Patreon, especially if you need to get in contact with me directly. Join the Patreon to catch the Zoom After Dark clips that I can't show you on YouTube. Join the Patreon to support your boy so I can keep bringing you this heat. Join the Patreon because you enjoy quality content. This is just the beginning, y'all. We're about to take this thing to a whole nother level. Let's celebrate together. You dig? Y'all know what I'm about to say, right? Y'all know what I'm about to say next? On the count of three. Hold on. On the count of three, I want y'all to say theme music. 1, 2, 3. Theme music. Hey. King of the passport, bros. I can't get a theme music.
Theme music.
So you seen what it's like out here, man. If you ever decide to come to Thailand, you want some flies. Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.